This problem wants me to find the second derivative of this function. So I think we can do that. Y prime is equal to, now here I need to use a chain rule because I have a trig function and a function as the argument of that trig function. So the derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared. So that's going to give me negative cosecant squared 3x minus 1. And now I have to do the derivative of the inside function, well, times 3. So I want to rewrite this as negative 3 cosecant squared 3x minus 1. Let's make the minus 1 look just a little bit better. Minus 1. Well, now I need to find the second derivative. So I want to find y double prime. So I'm going to start out by, since I have a product here, and I have a constant in the beginning, I'm just going to move that negative 3 through the derivative, and I know that I'm going to have that right there. Now, I'm going to look at the rest of this. Well, I'm going to look at it like this. Cosecant 3x minus 1 squared. I think it'll be a little bit easier to see what we're doing if we do it that way. So I have moved my negative 3, and now I'm just really working on the derivative of this part here. So this part here, so now I have negative 3 times, now the derivative of this is, so I'm going to start out using the chain rule, I'm going to work outside in. So I have 2 times cosecant 3x minus 1 times, now I have to start working on the inside here. Well, the derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent. So I have negative cosecant 3x minus 1 cotangent 3x minus 1. So now I need to do the derivative of the very inside function, which is 3x minus 1, and that's times 3. So we work outside to inside. First doing the large function and putting the 2 in front of it, then doing the next inside function, which was the cosecant function, which we did right here, and then doing the very inside function, which was the 3. So now I'm going to do a little bit of arithmetic to kind of simplify this. Well, I have negative 3 times 2, which is negative 6 times 3. So I have negative 18 times, well, I have cosecant 3x minus 1 and negative cosecant 3x minus 1. So that would give me a negative cosecant squared 3x minus 1. And then the last thing I'm missing is cotangent 3x minus 1. And if I wanted to be really nice, which I do, I'm going to cancel out these 2 negative signs. So it's just going to be 18 cosecant squared 3x minus 1 cotangent 3x minus 1. And leaving it like this, no, that really wouldn't be acceptable. You really need to work on simplifying these things and noticing that I have, for example, here, this cosecant 3x minus 1 times cosecant 3x minus 1, which does make the cosecant squared 3x minus 1.